Hello, this is Alicia Sam and you're watching HW News. Chief Justice of India, Uday Umesh Lalit, has proposed Justice D Y Chandrachud as his successor. After only 74 days as a CJI, Justice Lalit will step down on November the 8th, 2022, in August of this year. When he succeeded Justice NV Ramana, he assumed leadership, news agency ANI reported. The CJI handed over the copy of his letter of recommendation to Justice Chandrachud on Tuesday morning, that is October the 11th, in the presence of other judges of the Supreme Court of India. According to the protocols, the central government on October the 7th wrote to Chief Justice of India, Uday Umesh Lalit, to recommend his successor. Chief Justice of India, UU Lalit, has recommended Justice D Y Chandrachud as his successor and cannot clear any more appointments to the Supreme Court. In this video, we will talk about who is said to be the 50th Chief Justice of India, Dhananjay Yashwant Chandrachud. But before that, if you're watching this video on our YouTube, then do subscribe to our channel right away and press the bell icon to never miss a video update. If you're watching it on Facebook, then follow our page. Now you can access our articles, videos and live TV with just one click on our app. If you haven't already, download the HW News app now from Google Play Store. As per the MOP on appointment of Chief Justice of India and Supreme Court judges, today the Honourable Minister of Law and Justice sent a letter to the Honourable Chief Justice of India for sending his recommendation for appointment of his successor, the Ministry of Law and Justice said in a tweet. The MOP is a document which guides the appointment and transfer of Supreme Court and High Court judges. Justice D Y Chandrachud is the senior-most judge after the CJI, going by the established practice and convention. Justice Chandrachud would be the 50th CJI and take oath on November the 9th. He would have a tenure of 2 years and demit office on November the 10th, 2024 as per PTI reports. Earlier, Justice D Y Chandrachud had served as the Additional Solicitor General of India in 1998 and was sworn in as the Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court in 2013. In 2016, he was elevated as the judge in the top court. While Supreme Court judges retire after attaining the age of 65, High Court judges retire at the age of 62, as per protocols. Now that Chandrachud's name has been designated, the Collegium, headed by Lalit, will freeze and Chandrachud will appoint a new one after his swearing in. Justice Chandrachud's years in the Supreme Court has seen his hand in almost every notable judgment of the court. His erudite verdicts and dissents on the bench were marked by reformist approach, especially in the arena of civil liberties, individuals and women's rights. His latest judgment had held that single women are equally eligible to the protection of abortion laws. Justice Chandrachud had recriminalized adultery, upheld the right of women's short service officers in Army and Navy to be considered for permanent commission and stood by women's right to marry a partner of her choice. Justice Chandrachud upheld the right of women of menstrual age to enter the Sabarimala temple. Justice Chandrachud was part of the 9-judge bench which upheld privacy as a fundamental right intrinsic to life and liberty and not an elitist construct. His opinion in the privacy judgment in 2017 had declared the infamous ADM Jabalpur or habeas corpus case, which has held the citizens have no right to life and liberty during the emergency period, as seriously flawed. The lead opinion in the ADM Jabalpur was authored by his father and the longest-serving Chief Justice of India, Justice D Y Chandrachud, in 1976. Justice Chandrachud's judgment had also decriminalized Indian Penal Code Section 377, consensual adult homosexual sex, and recently gave the government 3 months to take the lead and devise a policy framework to open up avenues of employment for transgender people, particularly in the civil aviation industry. He was a part of the 5-judge bench which unanimously upheld the Hindu side's claim to the title of Ram Janmabhoomi land. Recently, a bench led by Justice Chandrachud had in the Gyanvapi mosque case tried to strike balance by directing the district magistrate of Varanasi to ensure the protection of the area where a shivling was reported to be found, while ordering that Muslims should not be restricted or impeded from accessing the mosque to offer namaz or perform religious observance. Justice D Y Chandrachud had also overturned his father Y V Chandrachud's decision not once but twice. In 1985, the then CJI V Y Chandrachud, along with Justices R.S. Pathak and A.N. Sen, upheld the validity of Section 497. Justice V Y Chandrachud wrote the Swamitri Vishnu judgment. 3 decades later, his son, Justice D Y Chandrachud, while hearing the case in August, took a dig saying, "We must make our judgments relevant to the present day." Justice Chandrachud's career in law combines a blend of both practical experience in law and the academic. That's all for the report. For more such updates, keep watching our channel HW News. Whatever your views are, do let us know in the comment section below. Take care of yourselves. Thank you.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.